Hi guys, welcome back. It is Monday and we just finished our language arts lesson, so we're gonna get started on our math lesson. So if you wanna follow me down here. All right, today we are gonna be making shapes with other shapes. So it says you can put shapes together to make new shapes. You can make a hexagon using 3 parallelograms. See how right here they used 1, 2, 3, and it ends up making that hexagon, which is 6 sides. So they use 3 of these to make one of those. And over here you can make a trapezoid using 3 triangles. We have 1, 2, 3 triangles, and it makes that trapezoid. All right, so we're gonna come down here to this one. So it says circle the shapes you can use to make each shape. So we need to make a rectangle. Which shapes do we think we could put together to make a rectangle? Good, our 2 squares, because if we have our 1 square and then our 2nd square, we now have that rectangle, just like we wanted to make up here. Good, and then right here we need to make a trapezoid, and we're gonna bring it back to what we just learned right up here. On this one, we need how many triangles? 1, 2, 3 triangles. Remember, and then it looks like that. 3 triangles make 1 trapezoid. Okay, we're gonna turn it to the next page. Right up here, number sense, write the number of each shape needed to make a hexagon. A hexagon. So we'll have our first hexagon, we need triangles. So for that, we're gonna use the base of this triangle for each side. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because if I completed each of these triangles, I would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles to make that. Okay, and now I need to know how many trapezoids. So if we draw a new hexagon, okay, if I cut it right down the middle, I have 1, 2 trapezoids. 2 trapezoids. And then we need to know how many parallelograms. And we talked about this on the front page. On this front page right here, we had our parallelograms to make our hexagon. And how many did we say we needed? We needed 3. 3 parallelograms to make a hexagon. On our next one, Carrie uses these shapes to make a new shape. What shape can she make with 2 trapezoids? We talked about it right up here. She can make a hexagon. Tony uses these shapes to make a new shape. What shape can you make with 3 triangles? We talked about it on that first page. Remember back, what can you make with 3 triangles? Good, you can make a trapezoid. Good, we're almost there. Keep going, guys. Carlos wants to use 3 triangles to make a square. Can he? Let's think about that. Can he use only 3 triangles to make a square? What have we been making with 3 triangles? With 3 triangles, we've been making a trapezoid. Is a trapezoid a square? Is there any way to make this to a square using our 3 triangles? No. No, we cannot. All right, last one. How many parallelograms does Adam need to make a hexagon? Okay, how many? We've talked about it 2 times now. How many parallelograms does he need to make a hexagon, or hexagon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides? He needed 1, 2, 3. 3 parallelograms to make a hexagon. Alrighty, and that is how we make shapes using different shapes. Good job.